Hey everybody, it's Jane. I just want to show you what I've been up to today because it's my attempt at getting more organized in my home, my studio, and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what my husband and I have been measuring and talking about, and it's our pantry in our house. So let me see if I can turn this camera around. I can't, so I'll be right back. So here is the pantry. Got this paned door, which I like because it lets a lot of light into this pretty dark hallway. And this is the pantry. So that's a piece that we redid, made over in the membership. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there. I've got my little bar area, a John Boo's table I've been dragging around for years. There's our little window. And then I moved this. It's not a big china cabinet. It's really nice because it's shallow. But I moved it from our dining room. Our dining room is pretty small. And we like to have, my kids over, my grandson. So we moved it out of there in here. And in the drawers, it has games, linens, just all kinds of stuff like that. And then over here, there's a closet that we're not sure what to do with. And right now, I've got like stuff from Mateo's birthday party last May. We have a little shelving unit in there, some ironstone lids, some skillets that I need to recondition. So, see, I put projects where I can't see them and then they never get done. So those have to come out. But we have this nice closet to do something with. And then over on this wall is where we have these metal shelves where we have food, bowls, that kind of thing. Because we have a small pantry in our kitchen, but it was just always overflowing. We always kept things on the countertop. So this has been really like a luxury to have this. This box is, I'm going to put 3 boxes out: keep, donate, and throw away. I've been going through my basement and brought up some silver plate and silver pieces. So I'm going to go through that. But this is it that I put over here next to our phone, and that lovely black wire. These little milk painted wall pockets. I don't know what to put in. I put some paper straws up there. But this is what we're working on. And the big project is to get all this off of here, like these wine glasses, which we use a lot, but they're scattered. I have some wine glasses here. I have some in the kitchen, but we're going to put shelves. So let me pull back here. We're going to put shelves on this wall that kind of go across, not all the way to the window because I want a little bit of space there, but like 3 shelves where we could put wine glasses, different things. I've got a set of ironstone pitchers that I could put there. And, and that's it. That's the project. This is a great one of those little Dutch enamel top tables, belonged to one of my sons. There's a bunch of art and a picture of my husband when he was an adorable little boy that I have to go through. So that's it. That's the project. So I'll be updating you on this as we move through it. Tonight we're off to Home Depot to get the wood, the brackets, that kind of thing. So I'll see you soon for the next step in this project. Bye, you guys.